Hi, I am Marcus from Davidson's Shoe Repair. For a while now I've wanted to have a before and after a professional polish pair of shoes by my point of sale as a way to sell customers on a professional shoe care treatment. So for this I went through my storage of old shoes I've saved. I wanted something that was really in need of a polish, so the difference is really apparent. I came across these old R.M.Williams yard boots, and they are in desperate need of a lot more than a polish. But I got the idea that it would be cool with just not a before and after polish. This could be a look what can be done with a high quality shoe in the hands of a good craftsman. So I'm gonna try to rescue one of these, and hopefully it's possible to restore it to almost new condition. Although the heels are worn, the soles are actually not that much and wouldn't need replacing, but I will do that anyway, just to make the shoe look new. The elastics, the back linings and heel counters are dead though and needs replacing. And of course the uppers need some work. These shoes were condemned once for a pretty good reason, so the work I will do on one of them will not be reasonable. This is meant to work as a demonstration of what can be done with quality shoes, even if they are in really bad shape. I will not even try to put a price on this, since if it was a genuine job, I wouldn't do it like this. Okay, let's get on with this project. So it looks like the right shoe is in worse condition than the left shoe, so I'll keep the right shoe as is and work on the left, and hopefully that will give me a bigger difference between the two. So I'll just start by taking them apart. So these are R.M.Williams yard boots. They aren't actually Goodyear welted shoes. They have a screwed / nailed midsole, and then they stitch the outsole to that midsole, but it isn't a welted shoe, so it's a little simpler construction. Still very sturdy though, and they usually last you a very long time. But it's a different process to resole them than a welted shoe. Okay, soles are gone. Time to cut out the elastics. So these heel counters completely broken. They are dead. The fibers are completely squashed. There's nothing left of it, so I'll cut all of this out and we'll have to replace it. These are the debris left by the old heel counters. As you can see, there's no life left in these. So we'll just remove that. Time to start rebuilding. I'm just gonna make up a plan in which order I will do everything. So it is time to address the uppers, and I'm starting with just gluing some of the flaps in the leather, or what you call it. Glue that down before we start a more general treatment. So now I'm going to do a series of treatments with a leather binder and sandings in between to see if I can reinforce the leather and create a nicer finish before I start working on the nourishment and the dyeing. So the shoe have been sanded all around, and now it's time for the first coat of dye. Okay, so I'm pretty much done with the work on the uppers. It's just finishing touches left, but first I'm gonna resole them and insert the elastics before I finish the whole job. Okay. So I am basically done with these now. It's just a last treatment with shoe cream. In this case I'm going with the Sapphire oil leather cream, especially for this type of oil leather. It keeps a matte surface like the shoes were originally. That's it. They're done.